Great game. Well done, Frank. Tell me why you think you were able to come through that test against Norwich.
Well, it was a tough test, and Norwich will get a lot of points here, give teams hard games because they're a very good side. And I think we play really well. The only thing I'll say is 2 goals that we shouldn't be giving away, particularly the second one I didn't like. And we need to be more clinical, because if we're more clinical, we take the game away from Norwich. We don't have the nervy last 5-10 minutes. But I thought there were really lots of really good elements to our game, and I'm pleased. First win as well, but I'm really pleased.
How fitting was it that the source of your goals today came from the young players, given that this is the youngest Chelsea team in the Premier League for 25 years?
Is that right? I knew we were young, and I'm pleased for them. I'm really pleased for them, particularly Tammy, because of what Tammy is his first goals for us. He's starting and he's competing, and 2 really good goals and the winning goal, and obviously Mason as well. I've spoken a lot about Mason, but I don't want to just talk about them. I want to talk about all the players out there today, because those conditions are hard. It's hot here against a good team, and we absolutely controlled huge parts of the game. So I'm not just worried about the young ones. I'm pleased for them, but I'm pleased for the team and the squad as a whole.
Pleased for yourself too? A bit of relief, that first win?
We need to win games. You know, we're Chelsea, and nothing's given in this league. Every year it seems to get harder, and our performances haven't given us what we deserved, I think, so far. But today it did. As I say, could have just been more comfortable.
No lo olvides, hay muchos más videos en nuestro canal de YouTube de Telemundo Deportes. Suscríbete aquí.